How to create a navigation bar or navigation in general for Canva. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you two different methods in order to actually achieve this. Both of them are going to work almost in the same way, but we are going to show you exactly what you need to do. So let's just go and get to it. So first you will start by either creating a website or just opening up the website that you already have, which in my case I just have this test one that I have. And I will be using this one for this video. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on it and open it up. And once it is open, we can just feel free to click on edit design from the top right in order to be able to add elements to our site. Okay, so now that we're actually on our site and we're able to add elements, the first method is actually going to be the easier method, which is going to be pretty much provided by Canva themselves. And to achieve it, first we are going to need to rename every single page. And the best way that I can find to do so with the new Canva site, we can just go ahead and filter it to be grid view from the bottom right. Click on that, and then you are going to basically see the list of the pages that you have here. And you just basically need to click on the three dots on each one of them, click on the pencil icon at the top and name it. So we can just do home page for this one, or let's just keep it as home. For this one, I'm just going to name it, for example, contact us. For this one, I'm just going to name it welcome or something. And then here, I'm just going to do about us. Okay. So now that this step is done, which is pretty much naming the pages that you have, now we can just go back to the default view and click on Publish Website on the top right. And once you do that, you basically want to click on Include Navigation Menu. If you click on that, this is going to actually create the navigation menu for you, and you can also feel free to preview it and see how it actually looks like. So now we can actually go and click on home. It's going to take us there. Contact us is going to take us there. Welcome is going to take us to the welcome page and so on. So now you can just feel free to, again, click on publish website, make sure this is ticked, and just click on publish website, and it's going to be pretty much ready to go. Now, in case you don't actually like that and you want it to be more customized when it comes to the navigation menu, and you want to feel free to create it, for example, on your home page, in that case, we can also do so. It is also very simple. Now, design-wise, is going to be completely up to you, but let's just go ahead and start with something simple. For example, we can just grab any shape, for example, this one. And I'm just going to go ahead. Let's just go ahead and keep it to the side for the time being. You can also make it a navigation bar, like horizontal, but I'm just going to make it easier for myself when it comes to design because I'm not that good with designing anyway. I'm just going to give it a bright green color. And basically, the gist of it is you just need some text. And with that text, you basically just want to link it to the pages necessary, and that's pretty much it. So let's just go ahead. Oh, sorry about that. Let's just duplicate the text like so, drag it like this, and duplicate it 2 more times. Okay, so now that we have enough text, we just need to do 2 things really, aside from designing it. First thing is actually typing in the name of the page, so we can just do home, and then we can just go for the other one, type in contact us. Third one is going to be welcome. And the last one is going to be about us, I believe. Now that we have this, we basically need to link them to the proper page. So we just go for contact us, for example, click on it, click on the 3 dots, click on link. And once this, you click on link, a bunch of pages is going to show up for you. So basically we can just select contact us for this one and click on done. Same goes for this one. Click on it, 3 dots, link, welcome. Oops, sorry. Wrong one. I'm just going to delete that and type in welcome. It's this one right here. And same goes for the last one, which is about us. Go ahead and click on it, three dots, link, and just go to About Us. Click on Done, and you're pretty much good to go. So whenever somebody clicks on that, it's actually going to take them to the proper page for it. And this is pretty much all there is to it. Obviously, like I said, you can feel free to design it however you like. But yeah, hopefully you found this video to be informative, and thanks for watching.